Okay, here's how to add an update. What I have pulled up on my computer is my first hour class. There's been nothing done to it. If I click through, I click on materials, there's nothing there. And we want to show you how to do updates. And so there's a lot of different reasons to use this. Some teachers use this to give quick announcements. You can format. You have limited formatting options here with bold, underline, italic. You have bullet points. You can change font size. You can insert content if you need to. Down here, if you want to add a file or a link, if you want to add something from your resources, which we'll cover resources in a later video. This is an interesting one that I've heard teachers across the district tell me that they use in emergency situations, like when an unexpected absence. You wake up, your child is sick or you're sick and you're staying home. And I've heard of teachers who use this feature to record a little message to their students. Hey, here's what's going on today. Here's what you need to be doing. And then they just post it as an update, and that works pretty cool. You can use a poll, and then you can also copy this to other courses. So if I have more than one desktop publishing class, I can just click copy and it will copy the same update over. So here's what I want to do with this. I just want to have a basic message, so I'm just going to type welcome to class. Yay, happy you're here. And then I'm going to click post, and it will post right down there. And then this will populate in the students' update feeds on their Schoology account. Now, one way that some of our staff has been using the updates is to utilize the daily instructional outcomes. And so what I've done for you to make it a little fancier for you, if you want to keep it simple, keep it simple. I did put another video in the Schoology folder here. If you go over to groups and click on our Bellevue West staff page and go over to resources, down at the bottom, near the bottom, there's a technology folder, and there's Schoology training info there. And so if you click on that, I've got, this is where I'll put all those videos, is in this folder right here. But one of the things that I did is I made this in case you wanted to make something a little fancier. And so if you do want to be a little fancy with your instructional goal templates, then you can just go to File and make a copy, and you'll have your own copy of this to do your own instructional outcomes. And then you can just link it, click the link. I have this over here for my pop culture, and so I could just do share, get shareable link, and this is anyone can view, which means your students can't edit it at all. They can just see it, and so you could just copy that code. If I wanted to do this, I'll just Command C over here, Command V over here, and I'll just type in daily outcomes right here and click attach and post, and it will post that right there. So if I need to add a little field here, here's the daily outcomes, and I click post, and then the students can click on that. There is a fancy way to embed a Google slide, and I'm going to do a separate video on that because I don't like these to be very long. So, but that's a basic way to use updates. Talk in your departments about how you might use updates effectively with your students.